Hi everyone, today we want to learn a new stitch. This is the part 3 of our beginner series. We want to learn how to do half double crochet. We have learned how to do slip knot and the chain stitch. We have learned the single crochet. If you have not seen those videos, you can find the link to them in the description box below. So for today, we are going to learn how to make half double crochet. So we'll start with the slip knot. And then we are going to make a chain of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. For half double crochet, I've told you in the part 1 of this video that the loop on the hook is not counted. We count the remaining ones here. So for the half double crochet, you're going to be skipping the first 2 chains. So you're going to work into the 3rd chain from the hook. So you're going to skip this and going to skip this. You're going to work into this 3rd one. So for a half double crochet, we need to yarn over and insert into the 3rd chain from the hook. Yarn over and insert, then yarn over and pull through. We have 3 loops on our hook, then we yarn over and pull through all 3. That's our first double crochet. Remember, we made a chain of 12 and we skipped 2. So at the end of this row, we are going to be having a total of 10 half double crochet. So let's repeat this. Yarn over, insert into the next chain, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. So let's repeat that again. Yarn over, insert into the next chain, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. So just basically need to repeat this for the first row of our half double crochet. So just continue the same process. Yarn over, insert into the next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3 chains on your hook. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. At the end of this row, we should be having 10 half double crochets. So this is the last one. So let's count our stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've mentioned earlier that in the previous videos that these V's are our stitches, so you should be able to recognize your stitches and make sure that you do not lose count of your stitches. You can use a stitch marker that will help with marking the amount of stitches that you have. So let me put a stitch marker in this first stitch here. So for the second row of the half double crochet and every other row after the second row, you need to start it with a chain 2 and turn. Then in the very first stitch, this is the first stitch here, in the very first stitch, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. So that's our first stitch of this row. You can mark that with a stitch stitch marker so you don't get lost. This is your first stitch of this row. Then you continue just the way we did for the first row. So for row 2 and every other row after row 2, you just chain 2, turn your work, and make a half double crochet in the first stitch. So at the end of this row, you should be having 10 half double crochets by the time we get to this stitch marker. So as always, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull 2 or 3 loops, and we have 1 stitch left. So remove your stitch marker and work into this. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull 2 or 3. So let's count our stitches here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you see we have maintained the number of stitches we have, and you can see how straight this is. That's the essence of the chain 2 that you do at the beginning of row 2 and every other row after row 2. So for row 3, you just basically repeat the same. Chain 2, turn your work, and work a single crochet in that very first stitch. Half double crochet in the very first stitch. Then you can mark this so that you keep the number of your stitches on each side equal. So you continue this way, you finish here, and you continue for every other row. If you like this video and you have gained something from this tutorial, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.